Welcome to Dailykaizenhub, where continuous improvement is at your fingertips. Our landing page is designed to empower you with practical tools and insights to enhance your personal and professional life. Dive into our curated resources that cover everything from productivity hacks to mindset shifts. Explore our engaging articles and expert tips that break down complex concepts into actionable steps. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or cultivate a growth mindset, we've got you covered. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are committed to making small, meaningful changes every day. With Dailykaizenhub, you're not just learning, you're transforming. Start your journey towards a better you today.
This is Ricky here from Dailykaizenhub on a very beautiful, well, not so sunny Monday afternoon over here in KLCC Park. Nice day here and nice to be with you again. Today I'm just going to do a short synopsis of my learning portal Dailykaizenhub. Inside this dailykaizenhub.com, we have the modular system which you could get bits by bits modular way of learning on self-development and self-breakthrough. Okay, apart from that, we have other components such as the whole main system of the Dailykaizen Hub product, as well as on a more lower, easier platform, we have the ebooks and also the Dailykaizenhub basic system for you to help you to break through to your next level. As you may have experienced, as how I did experience before, the one shoe size fits all kind of system of progress out there. I'm not saying they are no good, it's just that not everyone is suited to that particular modular way of learning. So I did a research and some across this Kaizen concept, the Japanese traditional Kaizen concept, still in practice over there in Japan. So it shows us the non-self-sabotage way of taking small baby steps and with each quick wins or small wins, they call it, to reinforce that back into your own personal growth and learning, so that it becomes like a motivator factor, a catalyst to spur us along the other journey to your goal achievement. So thank you again for your time and attention. Do drop by in my web pages and also my social media platforms, because there are a lot of small tips, easy to adopt methods and practices which are very practicable. They don't require very strenuous kind of self-will to actually do that. So you can get more tips over there to help you in your journey, as how much it has helped me during my COVID days. You know, everybody remember COVID, the lockdown and all that, how challenging days they were. Now let's just put all those to the past, okay, back of us now, and just move forward, push forward to a much brighter, more vibrant future. So to your happiness and success, this is Ricky Murugan here from Dailykaizenhub. See you inside. Thank you. Bye.